Hi, I'm Claire. I represent Pirai, builders of global information technology. Information is power, and this power helps us to move fluently and influence the way we live and do things in our world. But information consumes a vital resource, a resource that keeps diminishing in our times. That resource is attention. Everyone wants to spend less and less time to do more. Information keeps growing and in all directions. So how can we consume this vast amount of information with less span of attention? How do we figure out meaningful output from the data we have? How do we spend less time to learn more things? We at Pirai are committed to help you solve this problem with augmented and virtual reality solutions. Let's take a look at what we can do to help you. Design. VR and AR digitize and dematerialize the prototyping process, saving over thousands of dollars and precious time, getting your product to the market faster than ever. Education and expertise. Hands-free, on-premises, on time. Forget travel costs to get information and gain access to perform complicated tasks where your expertise is provided without any interruption. Logistics. Use augmented reality to track and display information more efficiently and accurately. Be able to overlay live data and know exactly where things are to make smart moves. Try before you buy. Using augmented reality, consumers can experience products in their homes before buying them, helping bigger purchases happen without having to visit the actual product or the showroom. Be able to show the big picture. Analytics. Virtual representation of data analysis. Monitor day-to-day progress with unparalleled ease. Be informed to make better decisions. Simulations. Simulate situations with amazing details. Prepare for anything before it even happens. We at Pirai Technologies are here to give you the best AR or VR experience that makes you able to capture all of this magnitude of information within a tiny span of your time and attention. We at Pirai also excel at building blocks of the modern-day technology ecosystem. We build and automate cloud infrastructure, transform a project to development, and implement continuous integration and continuous delivery, which equips our clients to reach the market faster and deliver an efficient product to their customers. These are our core capabilities that we offer to our clients and have proved that we can make a difference in their business management. Pirai, we are here to make it better for everyone. Glad you found us. Let's start talking.